Isang malaking hakbang para sa ating bansa ang muling pagbubukas ng Subic Shipyard. Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang inauguration ng HD Hyundai Shipyard, dating Hanjin facility. Target nitong makalikha ng mahigit na 4,000 trabaho bago ang 2030. Palakasin ang kapasidad ng bansa sa paggawa ng mas malalaki at modernong barko at magbigay ng TESDA training para sa world-class skills na ating mga manggagawa. Kasama rin dito ang oportunidad sa renewable energy manufacturing.
With a firm belief in the shipbuilding industry in 1972, through the legacy of our founder, Asan Jung-Ju-young, with leadership and vision ahead of its time. Finally, HD KSOE has grown to become Korea's leading heavy industry group and the world's #1 shipbuilder.
Also, it has proven the possibility of the shipbuilding industry through its own success and has become a solid foundation for Korea's economic development.
Even centuries, the Philippines has given the world our finest seafarers. It is only fitting that we also supply the world with excellent vessels to sail on. From 2014 to 2018, our shipyards were producing 1.2 to 2 million gross tons of ships, roughly around 20 oil tankers or 30 large container ships annually. However, starting in 2019, our output fell. We lost our momentum. Today, we raised the sails once more. With Hyundai Heavy Industries investing in Subic, our shipyard capacity will significantly increase. This means that we can accommodate vessels with higher volumes, boost our export potential, and create more jobs for our Filipino workers.
Hindi lang ito barko at bakal, ito'y simbolo ng trabaho, progreso at bagong pag-asa para sa bawat Pilipino. Ito si AJ13 Vlog ng Vloggers ng Bagong Pilipinas, nag-uulat para sa Radyo Pilipinas.